How to use DiDi. Download and install the official DiDi app suitable for your region or access it through the DiDi mini program inside WeChat. Register by entering your international phone number with the country code, then verify it via the received code. Set up your payment method such as linking a credit card or a payment app accepted by DiDi. Allow the app to access your location so it can find your pickup spot automatically. Enter your destination address clearly in the search bar at the top. Choose your preferred card type from options like express, taxi, or premium based on your needs and budget. Confirm the ride request and wait to be matched with a nearby driver. Once paired, check the driver details including car license plate, estimated arrival time. Use the app's communication tools to send preset messages to the driver or call them with real-time translation if needed. Upon ride completion, payment will process automatically via your linked payment method. Rate your driver fairly to help maintain service quality. Subscribe.